Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to discuss a book that has changed the way I think about habits. Atomic Habits by James Clear. As someone who has struggled with forming good habits and breaking bad ones, I was drawn to this book because of its practical approach to behavior change. The fundamentals. Clear begins the book by differentiating between goals and systems, explaining why systems are more effective for long-term success. He also introduces the 3 layers of behavior change: outcomes, processes, and identity, and emphasizes the importance of identity-based habits, which are rooted in our beliefs about ourselves. This section lays the foundation for the rest of the book and helps readers understand the principles behind effective habit formation. The first law, make it obvious. The first law of behavior change is to make it obvious. In this chapter, Clear dives into the strategies for creating an environment that supports good habits and minimizes bad ones. He introduces 4 key concepts: environment design, implementation intentions, habit stacking, and cue chaining that help to make habits more visible and, therefore, more likely to stick. Clear stresses that small changes in our surroundings can have a big impact on our habits and provides practical tips for how to make these changes. The second law, make it attractive. The second law of behavior change is to make it attractive. Clear explains that our brains are wired to seek pleasure and avoid pain, so it's important to make good habits more appealing. He introduces 4 strategies: temptation bundling, habit tracking, habit contracts, and the power of small wins that can help to make good habits more enjoyable. One of my favorite concepts from this chapter is temptation bundling, which is the idea of pairing a behavior you want to do with one that you enjoy doing. This can help to make the desired behavior more attractive and, therefore, more likely to stick. The third law, make it easy. The third law of behavior change is to make it easy. Clear argues that we are more likely to stick with habits that are simple and require minimal effort. He introduces 4 strategies for making habits easy: habit stacking, the 2-minute rule, environment design, and mastering the decisive moment that help to simplify behaviors and make them more accessible. The 2-minute rule, in particular, is a powerful concept that involves breaking a habit down into a 2-minute task. This helps to eliminate excuses and make it easier to get started. The fourth law, make it satisfying. The final law of behavior change is to make it satisfying. Clear explains that we are more likely to stick with habits that are rewarding and provide a sense of progress. He introduces 4 strategies: habit tracking, never miss twice, the Goldilocks rule, and the power of reinforcement that can help to make habits more satisfying. The idea of never missing twice, for example, the idea of never missing twice is a powerful concept that encourages us to get back on track after slipping up, rather than giving up entirely. Advanced tactics. The final section of the book covers advanced tactics for optimizing your habits for maximum effectiveness. Clear introduces 3 key concepts for advanced habit formation: habit shaping, habit tuning, and habit breaking that can help readers take their habits to the next level. These tactics are more nuanced than the earlier strategies and require a deeper understanding of behavior change, but they can be incredibly powerful for those looking to make significant changes. Certainly, as I wrap up this video, I want to take a moment to reflect on the power of habits and the impact they have on our lives. Habits are the building blocks of our behavior, and they shape who we are and who we become. By understanding how habits work and learning how to create and sustain good habits, we can transform our lives and achieve our goals. One of the things I appreciate most about Atomic Habits is its emphasis on practical strategies. Clear's approach is based on the latest scientific research, but he presents it in a way that is accessible and easy to understand. He also provides real-life examples and case studies that demonstrate the power of his methods. In conclusion, Atomic Habits is a game-changing book that has the power to transform your life. By learning how to create and sustain good habits, you can achieve your goals and become the best version of yourself. I highly recommend this book to anyone who wants to improve their life, and I hope this video has inspired you to check it out. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.